Hello YouTube. Somebody requested a teardown video. Hopefully you can see that alright. Not the best angles around here. Hang on. Yeah, look at this. I need shade. So I got it sitting on my truck. Let's see if this will work better. So front load washer? No, top load. It was in pieces when I got it, so. You see alright? Nice motor in there, huh? We'll find out how nice it is. It's a little magnet. See? Oh, isn't that pretty? Is that copper? Looks like it. Sometimes they are. No. It is not. It's aluminum. Can you say aluminum? Well, that's disappointing. No. They'll still go in the motor bucket. Got the copper look though, doesn't it? Yeah, it's my little impact gun. Ooh, got some shit stuck in there. Don't be going in there. Let's see which one's still holding it. A couple wires. There we go. Well, that's a bummer. Looks white to me. Oh well, like I said, it'll go in the motor bucket. That's fine. And I can unwind this one, take forever. If it's copper, then it's worth it, right? So. Well, that's a disappointment for you. Or for me. It's not very nice. Got another motor right here. Hopefully it's not so disappointing. It actually looks coppery. Let me try and get it out. There, I'll spin you around to this side so you can see where I'm working at. Right there in the corner. Only other way to get you would be put you right in the machine, but then you'd be in my way. I'm going to be in your way for the view. But look at this. Come on. You can't see very well. Yep. Stand on my head. You don't want to stand on my head. There. That one's copper. Nice chunk of steel. Put that in the bucket. That one is copper. It's very wet too. See the difference in color? There's quite a difference. This has almost zero varnish on it. It is still number 2. But this is aluminum, as you can see. I'll scratch this one to show it. I don't like to scratch them because if you cut them, see, it's copper. So that one good, this one not good. Not a whole lot of wiring on this thing, and they're so tiny in the cutters. Oh, there you go. It came outside for some reason. Well, that's the top down there, that's one. No little plastic clips to hold them. You can cut them from the outside. These little tie downs. Wow, all that work for 2 little wires. Doesn't seem worth it, does it? You got so many tie downs in here, it's crazy. Okay, I'm going to send them down there. So I'm going to take them out that way. Oh, even that plastic's sharp. Look at that. I'm already blooding. I have no idea what this thing is. Looks like some type of sensor. And head hydro will take it out. Well, they didn't want it to move. Look at the big ass bolts they used. Those could be handy bolts too. Self-tapping for plastic. Oh, that's what it is. It's the braking mechanism. So there might be a motor in there. Might be. Let's pull activating the brake on that. Can you see that? Little cable attached to it. So it means it goes back and forth. So we're going to open this up. Yeah, they're bleeding pretty good. I'm going to move you back a bit because we're done on this side. Well, the goodies fell out. Where's that hydro cord? There it is. Where are you attached to yet? This is the way we found it. But the motor was still in it, so I thought I'd take it anyways. I think they used enough tape. Okay, I'll have to take all this off because they won't accept it like that. What are we gonna do? Okay, hang on a sec. Smaller screwdriver bit. That's why I keep this guy around. He's a little bent. He came as a 2-piece set, found him scrapping. Brand new in the package. 12-inch blade flat screwdriver and this guy. So that was fine. He's very handy. And I've been resisting temptation to use this flathead screwdriver as a chisel. Because I do need a flat kicking around. Okay, what's in you? Oh look, there is electric motor in there. Cool. Figured there had to be. What else would have made it turn, right? Umpteen amount of gears on it, see? It's got to rotate back and forth, I guess, right? Or pull and release. There we go. Well, at least it's copper. Considering that motor was a letdown. A lot of noise out here this morning. Those guys look coppery, don't they? We're gonna find out in here in a sec. Said they look like it. I think they are. They're not brass. They have a copper look to them. It's fine. Copper is better than brass. Not a lot more, but it is better. Non-magnetic, right? Let's see. Yep. So there you have it. A little teardown of a piece of crap. So we got that aluminum motor. We'll go in the motor bucket. Because it is aluminum. We'll give another bite here. We cut one of these wires. Yep, they cut way too easy. And if you, almost looks coppery, you know. But that says white. You're gonna have to agree with it. It's heavy. The copper motor will not look white. Yes. So that one I cut looks copper. Maybe because you want it to be copper. Alrighty, these will go in. So there, short and sweet. I know it's not done yet. We'll use the tools here. We keep one of these divots just for tools. That way I don't lose track of them. And then the other divot for what I keep. There's the wire. There, this will go in the motor bucket. These will be stripped. I think I'm sweating too much already for these gloves. They don't want to come off very easy. There's the top to that machine. Beer cans are rolling around behind me. Somebody was worried we didn't get any alcohol containers. Well, the wife really didn't want to pick any up because the beer stores are still 10-mile long lineups to get. Ooh, isn't that nice? To get in them. That's the solenoid thingy dingy. There's my plug. Okay, one hydro cord saved for my appliance guy. He was wanting a few cords saved, so I save him some. So we need these 4 popped off. Get my plugs off them first. Just pop up. Simple. Simple Simon said to the pieman, "Can I taste your wares?" No, because they're warm. Jeez, what the hell's the matter with you? Come on. There. 4 copper motors. If they don't break with a hammer, freeze them. Then they break with a hammer. Okay, we want this right here. Right. Screw holding you in place. There. Sorry if my head's in the way. Knob off. Oh, that's a heavy knob. That must be steel. Yep, sticks to the magnet. Figure that out. Normally there's stainless steel or aluminium. Okay. I didn't want to go all this route, but I have to take him off. Can you hear that grinding over there? They're leveling out their parking lots. Holding you. Come on, you're heavy. Heavy. There's a lot in here. Okay. Look at all that. Ooh, look at that heat sink. That's epoxied right in there. That one, those two. There's something else on here because it's put together again. Going about it the wrong way, am I? Maybe. Let's say that screw shouldn't be holding it, but this guy will be. There. This thing weighs a ton. Okay. I'll take him, and him off. And him. And go from there. That'll be later's doings. Obviously there's another board in here. We'll get him out too. Come out wherever you are. My yard won't take this wire with all these on it. Or he won't pay you. Oh, look at sneaky. Big hunk of steel ring there. Didn't wrap it around very much. See, it's Ferris. Keep an eye on those sneaky buggers. Man, there's like 100 plugs on here. Oh, there's another ring. In the ground screw. Something in this package. Got a care package. Oh look! What can it be? Something they didn't want to get wet, I guess. Oh, it is a connection plug. See? On both ends. You had to have it in a package, apparently. The rest of them are not in a package. Why were you so special? Another ring. We just got divorced. See that? He's watering the road. The amount of rain we had last night, don't think we need any water. Yeah, we got a good little rain last night. Oh, around 10-ish. I think E-Waste Mike sent it up here from Detroit area. Thanks, Mike. We needed some rain, actually. It wasn't heavy. It's a nice steady downpour. A little bit of lightning. Okay, I see nothing else to take off, but here I can put that back together and send it on its way. Look at that, I kept you hostage for a long time. Hopefully you saw everything. It's about 10:30 in the morning. Like, subscribe, and share or not. Have a nice day.